Okay, friends, today Mrs. Kessler is going to teach you how to make Play-Doh. You need to get your recipe out, and then you have to follow the recipe. It says a half a cup of salt, so we're going to measure our salt out. Here we go. Okay, we're going to pour it in our bowl. Now it says 2 cups of flour. So there's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. And we're going to mix up the dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix up our wet ingredients. We need 3/4 of a cup of water. We're going to pour it in our measuring cup. And then it says 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to mix that up. 1, 2, and now we're going to get our food coloring. Mrs. Kessler decided on purple today. We're going to open it up and squeeze it out. And we're going to mix it up and see if we like the color purple. I think it might need a couple more drops.
These 24 counties moved to yellow Friday. Yellow, though, is caution. And the state...
Here we go. We're going to pour it in our dry ingredients and mix it up with our spoon. And there we go. It's almost forming a ball. That's what we want.
But how to ensure that patients who need care can obtain it safely.
But root canal is how many business owners across the state are describing the governor's shutdown. Some businesses vow to defy it.
So we're going to pour it out on our table here and knead it up.
Business owners and criminals. To them, the governor says this.
We're trying to keep the people
And there we go. That's how you make Play-Doh.
opportunity for this virus to spread.
We're going to make it a ball, and then we're going to go get a bag to stir it in.
The governor extended his stay-at-home order to include areas
So it lasts. If you put it in a plastic bag, it will keep for a couple of weeks. And that's how you make Play-Doh, friends. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the day.